Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize website performance with Wix, full guide step by step clearly. To optimize website performance with Wix, begin by accessing your Wix dashboard. Navigate to the site you wish to optimize. In the left-hand menu, find and click on the Settings option. Scroll down to locate the SEO, Google, section. Here, ensure that your site is indexed by search engines. Enable the option for Show Live Site to allow search engines to access your pages. Next, head over to the Site Performance section. Look for the Site Speed option and click on it. Wix will provide insights into your site's speed performance. Use these insights to identify areas that need improvement. Compress images to reduce file sizes without sacrificing quality. You can do this by visiting the Media section in your dashboard. Select images that are large in size and use the built-in compression tools. Additionally, limit the use of large videos and high-resolution graphics. Consider hosting videos on platforms like YouTube or Vimeo instead of directly on your site. Now, review your site's mobile optimization. Ensure that your site looks and operates smoothly on mobile devices. Wix offers a mobile editor for you to make necessary adjustments easily. Next, minimize the number of third-party apps integrated into your site. Remove any apps that you do not use frequently. Each app can add load time to your site. Afterward, check your site's loading speed using tools like Google PageSpeed Insights. These tools will give you further suggestions for improvement. Focus also on minimizing the use of animations and heavy transitions. While they can enhance the aesthetic, they can slow down performance. Always preview your changes and test for speed after each adjustment. If you've made substantial changes, republish your site to implement the updates. Lastly, regularly monitor your site's performance over time. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.